What's up, Bubba? That's a big boy right there. He'll end up being about 40 pounds. He's just a baby. He's almost the size of the other one, and he's just a baby. And then there's this guy. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Get off me. What'd you do with your bowl? Yep, he put his bowl away, just like usual. He always puts his bowl away. What's up, Stinky? Stop! Okay, so you want to know how big he is? That's a rake. He is almost as long as the rake. And stop. Yep. Almost as long as the rake. And he's about almost 24 inches to the top of his shoulder.